Hello everyone, now we're officially starting. As always, thanks for clicking on this and thanks for watching and supporting. It's been very overwhelming and it's been great to have you all here with your comments and your support and your follows and subscriptions. I would have never imagined this to work like this. Seeing really humble and constant growth, which is motivating me to keep going with this. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun, hoping to turn this into a business in the future. Hopefully we can do that. Everything can happen with hard work and dedication. So yeah, I'll put my time into this, of course, and grow this Let's Learn idea a little bit further in the future. As for now, we're gonna kick this off and start with our curriculum. So yesterday we stopped by creating our screen space UVs, I suppose. Yeah, we've made a UV we made the texture move with our camera position, as you can see here. If you're curious about that is day 31. Yesterday, that is the stream from yesterday. We'll go back to the Chrome. Okay, so today we'll go into operational infection overview, which should basically give us the ability to change our infection style, let's say. The next one will be optional growth improvements. I guess that one will be, sorry, I read this operational. Well, it's optional. Infection overview, optional growth improvements. We'll go through those two hopefully today and finish them and learn from them and see what we've learned. Okay, TriPlanner Flash is, I guess, a different way. This is the other shader they created. Quick presentation Polish, remap growth speed. Cool, we'll have just a little presentation video. Remap growth speed. This could be very interesting. Maybe it's basically creates a different way for each branch to, or a different speed for each branch to grow from. Maybe, I don't know. Week 6-10, if we have the time today. Doubt that though. Yeah, we'll go through those videos here. But for now, we'll just focus on optional infection overview. So we're going to go back to Houdini. So let me prepare my Houdini file. Okay, so Houdini file, where are ya? Just gonna look for it. It's in the documents in Let's Learn at DGA and week 4.9.5, which should be now week 5 basically. I should update the naming. Yeah, this is my file and this is the Explorer. Good. All right, once we have to log in again, that is very weird. Okay, let me log in again. I don't know why it's asking me now every day to log in. It's quite annoying actually. Okay. All right, now it's opening the project. I hope that is the account I created the Houdini file with. Or the license that I hooked the license with. Let's see if that is true or not. Yeah, okay, this is a bit, so let's make the width on this widget here to 350 maybe. Yeah, now we have a better chat overview here. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Hope you're all having a good time. Oh, Grayson was here. Cool. All right, so let's see. We are going to, yeah, it might happen that I might miss your chat, people, but please type it in so I could see if I could see it and if it will show on the screen, which is a big it's a big deal for me. Okay, let's see. Good. We have everything working. Yeah, license, we logged in perfectly. Let's put this back here. Well, it's been a long time since I've seen this UI. I kind of miss it, honestly. Yeah, I haven't only been working with it for 30 days, but I miss it because the last 2 streams were all Unreal, and now finally we get some Houdini again. I don't know, there's something about Houdini that I miss. I don't know what it is. Okay, anyway, let's jump into the watching, and the recording will stop for now. So see you. I wish those 2 optional videos were, I mean, to DoubleJump Academy's credit, they are optional. And this is an intermediate course, or it's an intermediate workshop, so nothing to complain about here. I just wish that, for me, from my experience, I wish it was as consistent as the videos from the beginning, where they were explaining how to build the nodes for the procedural generation of the vines. They were going step by step, and yeah, of course, for my level right now, I don't think I could easily just jump into this. So it sucks a little bit. So the difference is they were going before step by step building it from scratch, and now they kind of showed us node by node what Grayson was doing instead of, or versus the original way to do it for them, or how they did it in the beginning of, you know, going node by node, creating something from scratch. So this is it's a huge leap, and those 2 are optional videos. It stays as that. That's fine. Yeah, it's just I don't know how to say it. I don't know how I feel right now. Like, a bit disappointed, I would say, but more so with my current skills, I guess. It doesn't have to do anything with the course quality. It's just that I wish it was as consistent as the videos where we were creating those from scratch. That's all. So what I'll do is I just watched both of them. It was like a lot of information for my current skill, but that's on me, I guess. So we'll keep it as that. It's optional. For each person's skill, it differs. But for me, this was very like, not only confusing, but I didn't feel comfortable pursuing it, you know? It was just too much. So I'll just go to the next one and see, what we could learn, what we can take from it, and yeah. So I will go back to watching. Okay, I decided to go forward with it. There are 2 things I want: is the generate noises. I want the micro veins and the other noise. So what I will do right now is go into the actual project, copy this, and put it into our project where it's supposed to be. So basically it should be in at the last operation. Yeah, this is the noise. Okay, good. So we have that one. Basically it's the same. If I click here, okay, so it has like alright, so it has more components to it, I think. Let's have 2 to compare things. So we're just gonna dive in here, and let's see, we're gonna dive in generate noises. Wait, let's drink a little bit. Okay, so what's the difference here? Mine has less stuff, but not much less. However, here we have even a wrangle working. Okay, we'll go with the video a little bit and try to understand what is happening. We'll be right back here, and basically we'll start comparing it node by node. Do we have a connectivity here? There's no connectivity. So is this for each connected pieces, correct? So for each begin metadata, for each end out clean mesh. Let me see. So what is happening? We have the object, and then there's a normal applied to it. just a normal, I guess. Attribute transfer, what is it? Transferring the primitives and the points, especially the n. And we're transferring that into the... Okay, let's see, into those. Okay. So what are we gonna do? I'm just wondering about the type of for each here. I wonder if it's a for each connected pieces, because there's no connection on this one. Okay, we have to start somewhere. I'm just questioning the work here right now. So what did he do? He had an attribute wrangle that does what exactly? Near point, normalize. Wow. It's a bit too complex for me. It's not shown to us step by step. It's a bit difficult to follow up. Okay, give me a second. I'm just so big part of this is this operation here, the noises operation. I believe we need a for each loop here, a new one. So let's see, for each loop, for each number, for each point, for each primitive. I guess that's the one they used here. And just to be 100% sure, yeah, for each piece though. Okay. For each piece, merge. What is the difference if I add a for each number? What is it gonna say? Okay, so this is different. Let's go with a for each primitive. I mean, that's the one we have, right? For each number, point, primitive, connected pieces. All right, so that is the one we had before. For each named primitive. What is this gonna say? This is the thing, man. I don't know which one is which. So I'm probably gonna just copy this one. And just to be sure that I'm building it correctly with my lack of experience and lack of knowledge. So let's take this one and start building it one by one. So we'll add a null here. And we'll call it, yeah, spine, basic spine in. And this one will go now in the enumerate. Uh-oh, where are we now? Dude, space G, I guess. Yeah, here we go. All right, so enumerate, let's add an enumerate node. What does the enumerate do anyway? I remember it puts an index for each piece, I remember. Okay, let's just look at the difference between here. Okay, so it switches to points. Now it's gonna put an index for each point. It's an integer, good, all the same. I'm doing this because the video did not explain this type of, it didn't have this type of explanation like it did before. So it was like an optional video where he showed his work from before, node by node, which is something I can't follow up yet as good as I would like to. So I'm doing this my way for now. It's probably the wrong way anyway, but I just have to learn it, I guess, by time. So let's take this, put it a bit to the left, and okay, yeah, let's give ourselves some more space, honestly. So here we go. Let's take these things more to the left. Good. All right, let's put this thing here. Good. Enumerate. Good. That one we established. And object merge. Okay, so let's see. Object merge we need from the object after it got cleaned. So we're just gonna add an object merge. Yeah, good. And we'll put this as the object and we'll color it yellow because that is what I'm used to. I hope my mic didn't break, honestly. Wait, it could be that it broke because it's been a long break. No, it's good. That's good. It's not breaking. Good stuff. All right, so what do we have? Object merge. This object merge, we will Control X now and go back to where we were inside of our operation noise and put that thing here. Now we need some stuff out of our mesh, which should be the normal. So let's extrude that, or let's get it out of it. Where is it though? We need the reference to have the correct hierarchy. Now it does. That's perfect. What we'll do is check first if it's clean. It is. Okay, let's get the normal on that. So we need a normal. And we will compare now. So we'll go step by step. Where's the normal? Right there. The normal says compute normals, keep original. Okay, I'm kind of liking this flow. I'll go to the bathroom though, just real quick. We'll be right back. It's been a long call, but yeah, I still need to go to the bathroom. We're right back, so let's go back into it. So, okay. One step at a time, Jack. We're gonna get there. So, normal has guess from group. Let's just compare our settings. Okay, so one thing is getting switched here is the points. Add normals 2 points, because before it was adding it to the vertices, and we don't need to work with vertices in here. Is my mic working? Okay, let's just check if it is. One little check just to see. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Good, it is working. Great. Good. Now, what is the next step? Good. So we have a point instead of vertices, and everything else seemed to work just fine. Okay, what is the next step here? It goes into this attribute triangle and also into the attribute transfer, but the connection. Okay, so let's get the attribute transfer here. Attribute transfer. Here we go. Click and boom, here it is. Let's go in here and check that right there now. Okay, attribute transfer has a normal. Okay, so what we'll do is do here, just click on normal, I guess. Let me just check it here. All right, so primitive, check, points, primitives, all the same, conditions, all the same. Good. Now we're just gonna add the end to it. Okay, we need just to connect it first, then we can talk. Okay, so this is that from, and this is that to. What do I mean by that? If you hover over it, geometry to transfer attributes to, and this is the from. Attributes from. Good. So if I add the normal here, so we'll go from here to here, and then we can use it now for the next step. So next step is take our noises. This is the noise that we created. And we're just going to compare it to here. Actually, it's a bit different. So, yeah. Okay. Let's do it different then. Okay. So, we'll make a subnetwork. We'll call it. And the way I categorize things is a bit differently than them. So, OP, noise creator, operation noise creator. Good. This will go in this input. And this will go here. Okay, and this will be yellow. Good. Operation noise creator. This will be right there. Good. So now we'll go in and start working on this step by step. Like I said, it's a VOB, attribute VOB. So let's do it. Let's create an attribute VOB. This will have to create once and copy over. VOP. Good. And now we connect things, just normal, just like this. Okay. And now we will try to understand what they've been doing here. So they took the position, put it into a curl noise. That's exactly what we're going to do now. So there's something called curl noise. Here we go. Click, and here we have the options. The position is, or this is connected to this. So P to position, and Shift S to have a nicer curves. Then we have the frequency, and the frequency is a parameter. So I guess middle click, promote parameter, click on it. Yeah, here we are. And this will be a parameter called frequency, and it's a parameter, just normal, okay. Good. The next step is to hook the position as well and the end. This is very Unreal right now, so the workflow is very similar. Good, and now we have a multiply and another multiply. Okay, so it's very, very, very Unreal. And this is the curve view, and we need to make sure that the curve view we have, and we can work with it. So one way is to go up, middle click, and look at the attribute. cost curve view. Good, we have curve view, so we can work with it. So the next step here is a multiply, and we need to multiply what with what? We have a strength here, and it's multiplying the strength of the noise. That makes sense. So what we'll do is hook this up here with a parameter. So middle click, yeah, and double click to expose it. Now we can actually give it a name. Here we'll call it strength. Is this how to write strength, everyone? Is this how you do it? Strength? Yeah, good. So we have strength. Good, that's perfect. And now, yeah, so we have strength coming in here, and then the next stop is another multiplication, and it will be about that value, what comes out of it, the product value, and it will be multiplied by the curve view. Okay, so curve view. Okay, wait, what is it called? Bind, right? So the bind. And now we can choose which bind it is. Just need to remember. Okay, so just write it in. Curve U. Exactly. It's a float, 0. Okay, good, good, good. So the curve U will be multiplied by this. And the curve U, as we remember, it's a value that is... okay, let's just review a little bit. Just have a little bit of revision here. So if I go into the attribute above here, and I expand this, I have a curve view. You see in the beginning, when the point is 0, the curve view is 0, and at the end it is 1. So it gives a value. It's a float value that goes from 0 to 1. That takes the very first point of your curve to the last point of the curve and makes something out of it. You can just notice that here I don't have the proper chat, so let's fix that. Wait, where is this thing? Oh, here it is. Okay, that is not the proper chat, my friend. I mean, it is. It is. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's keep going. Okay, so bind and yeah, add. Okay, so there's an add after that. Okay, back to the VOP. Let's put this down a little bit. And I mean, can we not? I mean, it's fine. It's fine for now. Okay, here's the VOP. Good, multiply, multiply, and then add. Okay, bind, good, and then add. Let's do it. Multiply, multiply, and then add. Okay, so we'll add an add. Here we go. This will go here, and the multiplication will be added to the strength, to the position. Okay, good. So yeah, it's just a way to add the things. God damn it. Wait, can I control Z that? Okay. So the product value of this will go into this, just add them together, and then, oh, sorry. No, this will go into the, oh, that makes sense. Okay, good. Now it makes sense. Here we go. It doesn't matter now. We're making like huge spaghetti out of this. But first of all, what I would like to do is now go outside. We'll copy this 2, 3, 4 times as it is shown here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now each of those will have a value. So we'll just put this away. And all right, so here, the first one is called noise small. Copy that name, have it here. I know there's a way you can copy all of those and put them here, but I really want to know what goes into it. So right now, what we've done is we've created the position. We took the connection from the P, which is the position, and we hooked it up to a curl noise. And the frequency, we have given a parameter that we can control outside. Then we taken that noise value, multiplied it with something called strength, so how strong it's gonna be, because a multiplication can go from 0 to 1, and 0.1 would make it less. Oh, sorry, I've been having this thing on my face. It will make it less, so it will control the strength of that. All right, so curve view, what is the curve view is doing? A curve view is adding that value that could make it stronger at the end only, not in the beginning. So in the beginning of the curve, it will be 0. We need that because we need the points to still be connected because we have branches going like that, and we need those curve views to stay where they are in the beginning, and then basically have the ability to, have spaghetti like that. Okay, the next thing is that we need to add the two values together so we can hook them up into the position. So it's very, very, very simple setup. Okay, let's go back. And here in the noise small, now we will check what type of values he have added and why that is. So if I take that up to a 5, we see it is quite strong. So what I'll do, I'll put it to 4. And now with the, why does it say input number 2? Because here it says strength. Okay, let's see if that is the case. Did it not update strength? Okay, fun. Let's see here. Okay, so we have to add, okay, got it. Wait, how to do it? F2 or is here? All right, so that makes sense. And here we'll keep it frequency. Good. Yeah, the strength in this one. Let's see if it works anyway. Okay, it does work, but all right, wait. So what do we have in here? Frequency 3. Okay, space G to just see what's happening. My frequency is quite big, and okay, let's try a strength of that. The same strength and the same frequency, 3. Okay, y'all need to follow each other. So yeah, okay, that's our noise small first one. Then noise small 1, another one, which has the values of 9, 9, 9, and 0. Okay, let's see. It basically just is changing the frequency. Let's see if that would work. Let's hook it up and give it a 999 0.008. Okay, let's do that. Oops, 0.0008. Okay, good. The next thing is a VOP, and it will be the same setup, but it will have a bit of an offset. Okay, so let's just check it out. What is the setup here? Curl noise, same. Input, multiply, strength, good, same. Curve view with a multiplication, same. Add, and then here. What am I missing? Another option with the offset. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Let's basically do that. Yeah, so we'll work out of the copy and basically expose this as a parameter. Good. Go back, and now we have, it's a bit too much back. Nah, it's fine. Okay, so this is noise large, so we'll just copy that, put it here. Noise large has these values, so we'll have a 0.3 on each. Okay, offset of 0.132, 123, fine. 0 point, yeah. Offset, why can't we? Okay, 8, 11, 16. I don't know, just doing it like it is right now. We'll see the actual thing later if it will work or not. Space G. Yeah, this is very not what I'm looking for. One thing is to compare it, and that is go here inside of the noises and just check what are the noises doing here. Okay, 0.3. You see it is not doing anything crazy. So the multiplication is actually working. Oh, it's calculating everything. Okay, so esc and show, hide other objects. Please just show me this one now. And put it on 10. Okay, so this one looks like this. You see the 0 here is respected. I don't know why my 0 in here not being respected. So let's check that out. Something we've built a bit wrong. So let's see. Noise small. Let's check it out. So what do we have here on those options? Is it the same? Okay, frequency is being controlled. Why is the frequency here out? Completely out. What are we doing? Frequency parameter, okay. And here, frequency Parameter, frequency show, 11111, no checkboxes, no checkboxes, nothing, empty, empty. Okay, so it's the same. So why is our strength then not working? Let me see. Label, input number 2. Here it's strength, I guess. Strength. Now it just needs to stay input number 2. Okay. But I think that could be the reason. Yeah. Let's see if that's the reason. Float, everything is the same otherwise. Never. Here, export type. Never. Float. Okay, let's see never. Where's the never? Float, image CPT, CSSV, LFN2. Where is the never? That is weird. Okay, wait, we're actually doing something wrong. Okay, so float, never. Okay, so it's all the same. Good. Unless there's something else. Yeah. Okay. Good. Let's check it out just here. What is happening? Why is it going so insane? Is it something related to the setup? This could be, right? So let's check here. What is the setup? Before that, we have... Okay, wait. Noises. Generate noises. So normal, then it goes the noises. Otherwise, enumerate. That goes into the noises. I'm just gonna watch and see what I missed. Why is it working like that? Let's see. Is my addition wrong? Let's see. Small. Add position. It's the same, right? Add. This one is on top. Okay, it's the same. I don't know. One way to test this thing is to, take those, copy them. Wait a second. Just copy these. Paste them here. Good. Now let's check it out. First noise. What is it doing? Yeah. Okay. Why is it different though? Why is it different? Let's compare them. So this has VCC, VOP. Okay. So what is the difference? Back source myself. Points guess from group. Okay. Force compile myself. Okay. Here, frequency. All right. Okay. So what is happening inside that is different? That's the question. So curl noise. What are your settings, curl noise? This is hidden, which is very weird. Why is this exposed? Then it must be a different type of parameter, right? So if I add a frequency here, promote subnet input, what does that do? It looks similar, but... Okay, maybe this was my mistake. Let's add a promote parameter. Maybe I chose that one by mistake. Still the same. Why are those hidden? But here it's shown. That's super weird. I don't get it. Okay, let's click on the frequency then. Frequency, show level 000 11111. Okay, maybe we need to change this in order for it to work. Let's see. No. What else is there here setting wise? All boxes not checked. There's a never. All the same. Okay. control noise. Enabling bouncing SDF. Enabling bouncing SDF. All the same. Input number 2. Man. Oh, hey. Thank you, poor little ape. Appreciate it. Okay, so let's see. What am I missing here? Oh, we reached the goal or what? Did we? Did we reach a goal or something? Because I got a weird notification. Maybe I did. I don't know. Anyway, so oh, cool. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you. Almost 100, I guess. Yeah, 90 follows. Yes, yes, yes. A month old is the stream. It's been great. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate it. I've had like 2 weeks vacation break, and now no one is joining anymore. It's just quite depressing, but it's fine. Thank you for joining in, poor little ape. How's it going? Okay, so let's see. Bind curve view. Okay, so what am I missing that the strength, either the strength is not working or the frequency is way up high. One of them doesn't seem all right. So what am I freaking missing here? This is way different than this, although it has a very similar setup. That's very weird. 3, 3, 3, the strength. The strength, I believe, will do those things, yeah. So, oh, well, basically we're doing this. Thanks for asking. Good, so, yeah, exactly. Now, he's a legend, but when he streams, no one gets a chance. Here you go. Yeah. But I hate it. Gotcha. Yeah, well, maybe he does it on purpose. Maybe he just plays World of Warcraft, so some people can just go somewhere else, giving chance to other people. That could be. But yeah, nah, his content is top notch. Of course, he's the best. Okay, good. Let's get this thing up and running. What is next? That's the question. So we have the noise that we copied now, and so we'll put aside. What is next? We have made the attribute normal. So the normal here is being taken from the mesh itself. Then we have a for each, and now we'll build that for each one by one. We'll just have a null here just to see what the heck is going on in those. Okay, so it is really for each piece or for each primitive in this case. And it will have that attribute triangle that has a lot of code, and if I try to understand it, I'm probably gonna hit a wall. Integer point source, so we have a new integer value called point source equals near point 1 and add position. I don't understand what the near point does, but he explains it really quickly in the video. I'll be right back, and this on the recording. I just grabbed some water. And now I'm reading about the near point. So finds the closest point in a geometry. Okay. Okay, and what are those inputs? Geometry is 1, as you can see up there. Just so you don't lose track. 1. So it's taking the geometry from the input 1, which is, yeah, it is the geometry. And it's adding the position to it. What does that mean, though? What does that mean? So vector pt, vector point, vector pt, float max distance. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is watch a little bit of the tutorial. It's not a tutorial, it's just they're going node by node. So what he says in the tutorial, or in the overview, is that he's taking the nearest point from the mesh. So this is the mesh, and the nearest point from the spine, which is like the original curves. Let's not call them spines, they're curves. And he's giving an attribute to each one. So here he's putting point source, or this one, point source, exactly. This is an attribute now, and he gives it so he creates an attribute and he gives it the nearest point to the curve, basically. And then he takes the direction of the normal. So from the mesh, I believe. From the mesh, yes. So that's why we created the normal, so we know the general direction where it should be. And this thing should fix basically a lot of the issues that's gonna face us if we don't have this vex. So this vex is fixing stuff for us. So what we'll do is just definitely just copy it and have it inside. Yeah, so we have a 1. The 0 input goes into the normal here, and this one takes from the loop. Okay, so that is good. We know that so far. And the next thing is a split. Okay, we'll just pause here a little bit. So let's learn together. We have an attribute triangle here that should theoretically fix a lot of the issues with the snapping, and basically typically just like telling us where the normal direction of the mesh is. And then this will have to face a split that will take the group align. Okay, so we have created a group align that should basically tell the curves where to go. So we'll just make a split actually, and we'll split a line out of it. And here we should have it, but we don't. So something is not right. That's something. Group align. Why are we not having the group align? Yeah, there must be something with the code. Okay, so what are we having in here? Semicolon out. Okay, yeah, this one should be if. Wait, this if needs a column like that. A bracket, sorry, like that, and then sorry, no, not like this. Okay, so if is normal. Wait a second, what are we having here? How does he have it on his setup? Yeah, that is pretty normal here. So where is the mistake, I guess? In the if? Why is it not liking it? Do you have the same issue here? No. So let's just copy the script again. And now check if it's gonna work. No. Okay, so what do we have? Do we have inner attribute to create? What are we missing, I guess, from here? Primitives. I mean, I just copied the whole thing. It's just not working. And it doesn't like something here. It doesn't like the semicolon. Does he have it here? Yeah. But it just doesn't like something. If does this have to be here though? Is that why it's not happy about it? Oh, fridge. I don't know what's happening. Why are we getting that error? Anyway, I can read into this though. What is it not liking? Now it likes it. For some reason, it's not liking any of it. Okay. Well, this sucks. Why though? Jack, it was nice talking to you. Gotta go help my mom. See you. Yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you. Don't worry about it. Absolutely. So let's keep learning. You can tell me more about yourself, man. Real good to have you here, my friend. If you're curious about this whole setup, how did you come here? Like I mentioned to poor little ape, we have it all on YouTube. So from zero, everything is documented. If you're ever curious about those projects that I showed before. Good. Now, why are we not getting this? Something wrong with our vex. Okay, I guess this here. Add dot. Yeah, is it an integer or is it a float? What is it? I add dot or what is it exactly? I'm still not liking it. Is the float dot? I don't think so, dude. Equals dot, blah, blah, blah. And this thing is just not liking it, dude. Now the next thing here is breaking. Why? Okay, wait. I think I might know. I might know what's happening. Doesn't an if have to like be here? Right? This sucks. It's not working. Okay, let's get the actual file and check what is happening with the wrangle here. So that wrangle seems to work. Let's just copy everything in there and paste it here. Yeah, now it's not complaining anymore. So there was something wrong, but I'm really not sure. I mean, is it really not complaining though? Is it really the case? Yeah, something was not working well for some reason. What is it? What was it? Oh, I remember writing in it. True. I must have forgotten to erase it. But I want to create another type of puzzle game. What are your what are you looking for? Which engine, which language? Let me know. So let's see. So the split now is going to it's going to the ray, which should be the same raycaster. Thank you. Should be the same raycaster from before. Okay, so let's just copy that ray molding. I called it ray molding. Let's see if it's the same or not. Let's go into the operations. Okay, and now let's see if this thing will work. Let's just compare the two options. Freaking hell. It uses the starts, so let's do it. Starts. Everything but the starts. This is explanation point. Wait, let's first hook some things up correctly. Okay, so here. Is the stream lagging or my phone? Okay, let me check. Test. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Let me check. Test 1, 2, 3. The sound seems okay. The one thing that I need to check now is, again, let me just, so let's keep connecting, and the split will go here now to the ray molding. It says starting points. That is the one that I have on my thing, on my setup. Oh, we have a smooth. Let's just copy it over. Smooths are quite easy to do. Dude, why are you copying the ray molding? Smooth. Yeah, but first let's just compare these two rays to each other. This is wrong. Here we go. First thing wrong. It's a point. And minimum distance. Click. 11100. Good. No check marks. Awesome. Is it still lagging? Okay, let's see. Smooth and for each. Let's see how that works now. Okay, so the smooth must have a different group or something attributes. Let's check this smooth. Okay, let's hook it up. What are we getting? Strength 10-4, good position. Everything seems all right. Let's have an output into an attribute copy, actually. It seems that I'm on vacation in Italy without Wi-Fi, but with... Okay, gotcha. Good. Thank you for letting me know. Most people just exit otherwise. I appreciate it when people just tell me, because then I could fix it, you know. These are things like driving a car and not having your lights on. When someone tells you, like, on the street, hey, your lights are not on, because how often are you checking your lights, right? Same thing with streaming. If you're streaming and your mic is not working, or your stream is lagging, or whatever is happening, I always appreciate it when people tell me, because I could, like, okay, I could just check it out with one click of a button. But yeah, not a lot of people do that, so I appreciate it. Thank you. Good. Now let's get that attribute copy. We are copying the normal attribute here. Okay, so let's do that by hand. Attribute copy. Good. Let's get the normal in here. So instead of CD, we'll just copy the normal. and we'll hook it properly. So this will go in here, and the mesh will go in there, I believe. Why is my mouse so weird? It's red for some reason. Ah, okay, sorry. The enumerate will go here. Enumerate, here we go. So we're still working with the curve. Okay, and then what happens next? Everything's fine. Points, piece, other attribute, and clicky, good. And then an output. So let's see how our, yeah, this looks pretty nice, pretty neat. Yeah, awesome. We'll probably have to control the strength of the noise through the HDA. Damn it, I need a pen. Don't have a pen. Wait, let me get a pen. It shouldn't be that far to get a pen. Wait. Yeah. Here we go. I just need to note down some things so I don't forget about them. So we need a parameter. So parameter to noise strength, right? And frequency strength plus frequency. Good. That will be our thingy. So yeah, a lot of vex that I couldn't explain. It should just basically, I wish they took the time to explain it, but it was really like node by node. So I'm making a sacrifice now. Just to make this thing look like I want it to look. But like there's no shame into going here and learning it on your own. It's a near point and normalize, which I don't know what it does. I have an idea what the near point could mean. But the normalize here, I have no idea. Normalize again, and it has a point with a 0, and I need to learn vex, man. That's the end of it, honestly. Yeah. What do you mean, which part? I'm completely new with game. Yeah, I understand. We are all new. Game development is basically renewing itself every time. It's currently there's always new ways to make a game. So I wanted to ask you about what engines are you planning to make your game in, and yeah, what are you planning to do? Is it a 3D, 2D? What are you planning to do? Okay, so let's see. We have our noise here. Now it's a different noise, so we will just hook this up in here, the output, and ignore this connection basically. All right, so and now we'll look at our out. Yeah, this looks pretty neat. Let's see what else we could copy from the current yeah, from these videos, those optional videos. So, okay, so I missed the part where they explain it actually, the vex. So I'm gonna try to understand it the best I can. So where is it? Noise. So here, and okay, here's the vex. So what's happening here is, and so if you want to understand something, try to bypass it and see what is the final result without it, right? Here we see the snapping on the planks are just not working anymore. But if we enable it, it will work. Yeah, it's snapping properly. And that is thanks to the... Okay, so let's see. So at first it checks the near point. And right now, which near point is being chosen in that current loop is something that is determined by the primitive level, I think. So here you go. We have geo directory or direction. You have source direction. And you have point source. So the source point or the point source is 21. So that is the point that is taking from right now. So it's this one. That is our source point, 21. Here we go. So 21, what is it doing with that? It's calling out the normals. Right now that normal is going up, and it's averaging, or basically taking the dot product between this point, the 21, and the point from the mesh itself, which should be going upwards in this case, or maybe on the right, or whatever it is. It's basically correcting it. So it's getting that direction from that. And it's grouping. There's an if here. I didn't get what this does, but basically you could see it with the split. Let me see if I could show you this. I mean, here you could see it better probably. Split. Wait, let me get these things out. So basically it's eliminating any surface it's not connecting to. If you see right now in the current version in Unreal, this one, our vines are actually connecting on inappropriately sometimes in surfaces that they shouldn't be connecting. That's due to uncontrolled growth. And right now we have that control ability, so to speak. Oh, you're watching on 160. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully the internet gets better soon, my friend. Should I make when my new PC comes in a 2D or 3D game, or in between? So here's what you should do. You should start doing prototypes, very simple stuff. Try to make a Tetris game or a Pac-Man. You'll be surprised by how difficult those games are. When you do those things, you'll learn mechanics, or the way you could create certain mechanics, so to speak, and then you could expand on that later. One thing about learning, although we are pushed to pursue our own version of a course a lot, but you first need to know the tools. You need to so like if you've never drilled a hole in a wall before, you first need someone to show you how to do it. And maybe you see it 9 times, and then you get to do it for the last one, for example. And then you can drill maybe after that 5 holes on your own. But that first initial step, you needed someone to show you, and you needed to do it exactly like that person showed you. At one point, you will reach that level where you could do and drill that hole on your own and be creative about it. So first thing to do with game development is to build those initial mechanics, the basic mechanics. Like, I'm saying basics, although like Tetris is super complicated to create. But if you learn how to do those things, then you will get to eventually get out of that tutorial hell and explore on your own. But first, you really, 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 really need to copy. It's every artists do that. They copy one-to-one. Once you understand the concepts, you understand the tools, you can expand on that. What you cannot do is take a driller and drill without any experience or anyone showing you it. Maybe you can, maybe you're super talented, but that is maybe 1% of the world. You need to seriously copy in the beginning, then start small. Don't do your dream project all at once. Do your dream project maybe 10 years from now. Your dream project needs to be the last thing you do in game development. Do it at the end. First thing, learn, fail, progress, no perfection. Fail again and again and again. Get frustrated again and again and again, and do 10, 20 projects in a year, then 1 in a year, because you will learn so many other things at the same time. Does that make sense? Exactly. You will recreate things. You're not easy. They're not easy to make. You will be surprised. Recreate essential old games with Unity, for example, or with Godot, whatever it is. Unity has a lot of resources, so it will teach you a lot. If you start with Unity, although Unreal blueprints are quite interesting to work with as well. But don't get lost into this, which engine should I work with? Because in the end, all what you need is to pick one. It's the same thing with, it's like saying, should I use Krita, Photoshop, or I don't know, any painting software otherwise, you know, Procreate. It's all the same in the end. If you learned in Photoshop, you will know how to use Procreate. If you learn in Krita, you will know how to use Photoshop, and you will know how to use Krita or whatever. You know, you will just learn those things eventually, and then you would be able to learn the user interface of that software easily. The more you learn in that, what you're learning, you're not learning the software, you're learning the skill. That's what should be important, because you could take that skill and implement it in any other software. It's not a big deal. It's like I see people looking for like Godot shader tutorials, and if they don't find it, they get upset. They want to recreate something in Godot. It's like, it doesn't matter. Learn it in Unreal and get the concept, the mathematical and the logical concept of what is happening. Try to replicate that. If you understand each and every node and what they do, you can Google what is the alternative to that in Godot. If you don't find it, then you find communities to ask your questions. That is how you learn. Nothing is made and custom to you. Unless it is, then buy it. You know what I mean? That's why with DoubleJump Academy, I didn't even think twice before I bought this course, because I'm like, yeah, that's exactly what I want to learn. And here's someone who's working in the industry teaching it, so I'm gonna learn it. So I decided to purchase it without even thinking, because I was like, that's exactly what I need. That's exactly what I was looking for. I was willing to pay way more than $500 for a workshop to actually have someone teaching it to me, because it cuts a lot of time, you know? Instead of you researching and doing all those things, you could just go and jump on and learn these from someone who's experienced in it. That's the benefit. And they actually share the files with you, so that's awesome. Yeah, it's a plus. Good. Hope that makes sense, my friend. Okay, so here we go. Let's keep this thing running. Attribute copy for each end. Which one should I go first? The null, ray molding, smooth for each end. Okay, so what are we doing here? We were explaining the attribute wrangle and then the split. And there was a bar of some sort. I think in the ray molding, it could be. Yeah, the scale here. I think that is what decides how big this is. Not really. Let's give it a 1. Okay, give me a break. Okay, so I got it. So basically in the wrangle, we have minimum and maximum. And if you view the split while you're checking that out, you will see the maximum you get this, the more you get this up, the more it will shape into like the curve itself that we're working with right now. Yeah. But right now it's incapable about I think differentiating between the two meshes. That could be the case. It depends where are we getting our mesh from. We get it out of the clean. It should be fine. I don't know. I don't have experience. It's fine to say I don't know for now. But yeah, this is the basic concept of it. Yeah. I don't know. I can't explain, honestly. Just because my Vex background is super, I don't know, like non-existence whatsoever. I understand a little bit what's happening here. I understand there's an if statement. There's the dot is mentioned here. If the dot is bigger than the channel frame or channel float minimum, which is not existing here. Anyway, I don't get it, honestly. So fine. We'll just keep, making those work, and yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Okay, so I'll be right back. So I just realized there's another array here, so let's do that. And yeah, this will be hooked here, this will be hooked here, and then into the final. So we are ray molding twice. Yeah, makes sense though. So how is the output looking after this one? Yeah, so it just stays basically on the thing. I really like the noise, what the noise did here. Really a big fan of that. However, why are we getting so many? I don't like how this is going like this. Maybe we can smooth it again. Let's see how that will look like. Yeah, the smoothing is not helping really. So, or is it? I mean, from far, it's totally doable though. So let's bypass it. Look at it from far. Yeah, it's not doing anything. So delete that. It will take just more time. It will eat processing power. So we'll ignore it. Excuse me. Okay. So, probably gonna learn a little bit. Well, I want to show one thing in regards to that. The attribute triangle. So operation noise, and inside of the operation noise, we have this attribute triangle, correct? So let's bypass it. Let's just see, not the split, sorry, the wrangle, not the split. Keep the split. Excuse me. Okay, and now we're gonna look at the final result without the wrangle. It's inaccurate, basically. Yeah, and it just makes things more accurate, I guess. Okay, fine. Let's pause. So, what did we do? We were able to replicate this now into our operation noise. Awesome, so we'll delete it. And I'll get the next thing now inside of here, which is the micro vein. Let's look at it. Let's look where it is. Try find it. Okay, wait. Double escape. Just I don't need to calculate anything. I just need to see where the micro veins are. It's probably inside of the generate vines, and here it is. Micro veins. It's between. It's after the micro. It's after the for each loop. So we'll do that. Exactly that. So where are we now? It's for each loop. Exactly right there. So we'll put it here. Oh, what's happening? Why can't we copy it? Double escape. Close. Good. And recreate user game. Sorry. Don't worry. Don't be sorry about anything. You don't have to be. Come on, dude. Double escape. Don't want to see anything. Thank you so much, Houdini. We're just gonna delete that one. Okay. So this is a subnetwork. A very simple subnetwork. What are we getting out of here? Merge. That's fine. I mean, I basically stopped the simulation. Why is it still? Maybe because we are frame 6 here? Double escape. What is taking so long? Do we have sim? No. Then what's happening? Okay, let's just let it generate then. Let's wait for it. Don't worry about it. I recorded everything for you, so you could check it out once it's out. One way to get the last bit I was talking about, if you're interested, I'll give you the YouTube stream so you can check it on your own. Okay, wait. We'll give it to you. Just gonna share the link with you. Here, that should be. You can just go back with the bar and view what you want to view. Where I was talking about the game thing. Okay, now we got it. Good. So it's got generated again. Yeah, that's awesome. I really love this noise and everything. I think we need more. Yeah, that's not good. That's due to the lack of resample. So we need to fix this. Let's fix it. I think we clean the curve. Do we clean it here? I forgot, I think. Attribute rescale, operation noise. Operation. Okay, let's check on the operation noise here. Yeah, we have all those resampling, smoothing. Let's copy them. Resample, smooth. Let's get the resample definitely. And put it after. Should we put it here maybe? Yeah, let's try it. Resampling. It's gonna wait a little bit. Sure, no worries. And where's the smoothing? Okay, so double resample basically. Let's smooth it again. Okay, how does that look like though? Let's look at the final result. It's gonna take a little bit, but it should be done. Why is it taking longer to process now? I wonder what is taking so long. Yeah, I think it's better. Let's check though. Let's check with the box. Yeah. Now it's now more inside. That's not good. I must keep this. Okay, let's keep this out. Okay, let's just delete it. And keep the smoothing here. How can I do this to add more resolution? Probably gonna need the resample somewhere else. Yeah, this is not good. We need it to stay on the... Okay, let's see what we can do. What is this doing? So if I take it out of here, what is the value is it giving right now? Space G? Okay, so let's see. What is happening here? Points, numbers. It should be enough, honestly. Okay. 0. Yeah, this should be tensor. Would be just interesting to see if we put it here and we go into the output of that. How would that compare? Let's see. Okay, that is horrible. Because there are just points connecting in a weird way. Is that due to the wrangle now being on a weird value? Yeah, that could be. Triple escape and go back here. Let's view it again. Oh no, just doesn't want to work. Okay, weird. Okay, and bypass it. What happens? Yeah, even weirder. Okay, super weird. Why is the molding not working, honestly? Bypass this molding. Ray. Yeah, it's not working at all. That's bad. How does it look when we view the merge with the bypass of that, or the template of this? Okay, let's look at the edges then. Yeah, it's not good, dude. Freaking hell. It's not good at all. What have I done? Oh, it's not good. I wonder how to fix this. Shit. That sucks. Oh, dude, that's not good. Okay. Did it work before? I feel like it worked before. Just the moment when we started working with the resampling, didn't want to work anymore. Okay. How did this look like now? Let's look at it. We still have those weird artifacts. Okay, what is this doing? Let's keep it on 1. Check what happens. Okay, and if I view it from far, not from far, but from the HDA itself, let's see what is the result. So the wrangle is doing a lot of work. Okay. But it is better now. I'm not super happy with the... Okay, just look at the... I feel like it needs more smoothing, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at this. Space G. Let's look at the points here, at the point counts. Yeah, feel free, do it. Of course. Pong is one of the main... you will learn about AI in Pong, I think. It will be very beneficial for you to start with Pong. I think it's a good game to start from. One of the best is, I think, Pac-Man is like really good to start from. Replicate that. Pong is very good to learn AI. AI development, basically. Okay, so let's see. 0.01. Yeah, okay. And now if I add a smooth to that, let's see how that will look like. Okay, and that smooth will be like... Okay, let me view it first. Let's give it a strength. Oh, this takes a long time. Aha. Wait, what happens if the resample was less? Okay, this happens. Okay, maybe not that less, but this less. It's just, I just need it to be consistent, that's all. Nothing else matters. Because if I take it on a very low number like this, I'll get too accurate and then it will be rigid. So what I want is something less. Yeah, something between 2 maybe. That's too much. 2.5. Sorry, 1.5. That's too much still. 2. Let's see how that works. Okay, now let's get into the final result. Okay, okay. All right, yeah, we're talking now. This looks very good. Very spaghetti. I feel like I need to like at the end, at the very end, right before this output here, like in that output here, I want to give this thing a little bit... Where is this merge going though? Where's the output? Huh? Output, it's right there. Okay. And this merge is to show us both. Yeah, here we go. So we don't have to get out. Okay, so what I would like to do is just scale it a little bit. So how to do that? We have a transform match size, this one. X-form. Okay. I think it's called transform centroid. Transform from centroid. Yes, let's try that. Just give it a little bit of yeah, like a 1.1. It's too much. Here we go. 0.1. Too much. Is it too much? Wow. It's a bit crazy. But it's just not snapping well. On this at least. On the cubes. So I don't know what's causing this. It must be the normals of some sort. What is causing this? Let's try to eliminate the noise then. See how would that snap. It snaps just well, basically. Wait, let's take the this out. Oh no, we still have the issue. So it's good to just scale it a little bit outside. Yeah, and then we can make the sweep a bit, yeah, a bit thicker, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So let's see, which sweep are we dealing with here? Let's first have this as a template and go to the sweep operation. And now in the radius, just go like 5 here. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, let's go back then. Let's go inside and the merge. The last merge. Let's look at that. Okay. It's a bit too big. Yeah, maybe we can still add the radius a bit more. Yeah, it's not helping really. Yeah, it's a bit, the centroid thing is too much. Let's try 0.5. Yeah, okay. I'll accept that for now. We need some noise. Whoa, what happened? Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's turn it back in. But how do you mean with old games, like 90 and earlier? Not one of the very early games, like Pong, like you said yourself. Pac-Man, Pong, those games. Try to replicate those games. You already mentioned too, Tetris is one of the old games, for example. 90s is not old. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, okay, noise is nice. Okay. What else to do? Let's see. I just realized that I had the overlay over. Sorry about that. I hope you were able to still follow along. Yeah, sorry about that. I can't do any more about it. So anyway, microveins, copy that. Oh, wait, don't. We're just gonna compare it. Where's the microveins? Here. Okay, so what we'll do is create a subnet. Call it gen. Microveins, gen. Microveins. Yeah, microveins. Good. And it will be purple because that is our color. Oh, is that our color? No, that's our color. This one. That's too bright. This one. Okay. And now I'll open this one here and we'll open this one here and then we'll check and compare. Good. So first of all, we have our output. We have a random selection, it's called. Let's check if we have that here. Random selection. Yeah. Can we add that? Yeah, we can. Good. Good. Now, what do we do with random selection? Let's check our settings. Okay, 0. Create group from selected. All right, let's do it. Selected. Let's call it micro veins. Selected. Good. It's a primitive. Okay. Exact number, preserve element order. Is my mic still working? Test. Yeah, it is working. Good. Let's keep it going then. Let's go here and check it out. So random selection. Yes. Yeah, we have a group out of it. Let's not color select anything. Good. And our count here will matter. Okay, what do I mean by that? Let's try to view the thing, which we're not able to view because there's nothing selected. So one back, one in, boom, like that. Here we go. And now we'll be able to select things with the ratio, hopefully. Wait, random seed? No, okay. What is happening in here? Why are we not? Okay, by count, here we go. This one, yes. Okay, I'm missing one more thing. Let's see, what are we missing? Yeah, create group, fine. Count is too high, right? What about 11? From this, nothing happens. Okay. Blast. That's the one I want to look at. Okay, so blast the thing. Okay, dude, come on. Not so. Okay, so blast. Let's blast some stuff, mate. Let's blast that group that we just created. Okay, because right now we won't be able to see things. So let's blast our selected Microphone. Okay, we might have needed to keep that like it is. Okay. And now still nothing. Okay, what happens if this was, I don't know, bigger a little bit? Nothing. Can we still see it? No. Okay, so what am I missing in the settings here? Exact number, preserve element order. Exact number, preserve element order. Randomize property, good by count. Fine. Let's make this a 20. Random seed, 0. Because there's no randomization, no color, primitives. That's all. Create group from selected. Please. What is stopping it from doing that? What am I missing? So, okay, I'm just gonna add selected here then. What is the blast settings? Delete non-selected, okay, good. And so if I have a 10 here, dude, why is it not working? What am I missing, dude? Okay, wait, let's view the structure here. Hi Dex, how's it going? Attribute create, brand child. So what? Branch ID, that's the one we're missing. Okay. Branch ID, I think so, right? Isn't that what we're missing right now? Randomize count. Isn't that what we're missing? What are we missing then otherwise? Null. Okay. It's getting into the randomize selected. And if I take that number up or down, nothing will happen. But if we check the blast, and now we play with this a little bit. Huh? Okay. What? Space G? Anybody? Small lines, I guess. Sweep, anything? No? Why? 20? 45? Where is the things? Space G. Where are the things? Blast, where are the things? Nothing. Nothing's coming out of this. What the heck? Space G. Something is not working. Ha? What? Output? Why? Merge? Why? What the heck is happening? Okay, wait, let's watch the tutorial. So this thing, it's not gonna work. I don't know, it's a license issue or something, I have no idea. But I found a primitive wrangle code, vex code that does this. If random, it's primitive, bigger is bigger than 0.9, and this is the margin to delete basically. And now we select the group it's creating. So select here. It should delete and blast the, wait, space G, where are we? Where are we here? Space G, nothing. Where are we here? Space G. What? Why is there nothing now anymore? What? Okay. So why are we getting nothing here? What? Even the null? What the heck? Wait, what? Ah, wait, this is wrong. Okay, give me a second. We will get into the actual one we created, this one. Yeah, and now, yeah, we'll put this here. Random selection won't work, I don't know why. Maybe a license issue, anyway. Let's take this vex code, and now this 0.9 means 90%, and 0.2 means 20%. So only 20% of the primitives, and now we'll see it with the blast. Okay, yeah, we need select here, not selected. Here we go. So only 20% of this will be deleted. And if I actually, that's 80%. Again, that's 20%. Here we go. Now we can only focus on those. That's awesome. Now we can make micro veins out of those, for example. Good. I would like to have a bar that determines this value. We did that before with the bars, right? And here. Oh wait, go back. Yeah, these bars. I would like to introduce those again. What were they called? Channel integer seed. Okay, so it's a channel F, right? And it says what it is. Okay, let's try to find our threshold here. Where is our threshold? How did we do our threshold? Control F, thresh. Look for it. Okay, so here we defined it. Channel reference, channel float, sorry, threshold. Okay, let's do bigger than or bigger channel frame. Yeah. This will be called, excuse me, margin. Margin. Okay, let's check it out. We should have margin here. We need semicolon, I believe. Right? Oh. No, wait. Here we have the same. If random, blah, blah, blah. Channel. Okay, we need another bracket, it seems. Yeah. No semicolon. Okay. Now we're blasting. Good. 0.9. Here we go. It's even limiting it. Perfect. It's perfect, bro. Yeah, now we can do things with this bar. Yeah, here we go. We're doing some things. We understand some stuff. Awesome. Cool. You can call the margin something else. Margin of deletion. Delete. Margin of selection, actually. Yeah, good. Now we have it. Okay, margin of selection. Oh, wow. Wow, that's not good. Yeah, that's dumb. Yeah, whatever. Good, we can reference that later. Okay, we have the way to select. We have a blast. Let's see how to manage the other steps. There we go. Blast, then we have a sweep, and then it goes into a subnetwork called small lines. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, first we need that sweep. Sweep operation is not that complicated, so I'm just gonna copy it because it's just easy and repetitive. We've been there, we've done that. So what is next? Into this small line subnetwork. Let's check it out. We'll be right back. Just dive into it. Here we go. We have a normal resample, then the noise small from before. So I'm just gonna copy some of those stuff. Just need to understand the structure a little bit. So before, yeah, the blast, everything else, good. It's all the same. So now we're gonna create the generation of, I'm just gonna keep everything in the same. Group promote, merge. Yeah, let's keep everything in here. So then we create a resample and we check its values. Okay. Resample. Let's hook that up here. And okay, so we add a maximum segment of 1,000 so it doesn't lose its okay, let's see. That is actually too much, right? Or does it work? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We don't want to get into more, how to say, we want to reserve the quality basically. Okay, so noise. This noise looks like that, good. And now a smooth after that, good, I understand. Then a sweep that is a bit different. That is about a column. Round tube, okay. We will create that on our own because it's a bit different. Sweep, there we go. Let's connect that here. And in the sweep operation, now we need scale, where is it? Round tube, columns instead of the other things. We'll need 2 columns, and we'll view that as well. And then we'll twist them, right? Twisty, rotation, scale, scale, rotation. Here we go. Full twist 1, yeah. And partial twist 38. Okay, good. We twisted them. We did this with the ropes. It's not a big deal. You can check the episode where we covered the ropes. Ray. Of course, we're gonna need a ray with the sweep input from what? From the sweep input. From here. No, from here. So these are mixed up. This is the blast. This is the sweep. Okay, let's see. For each end. Okay, good. So we need one from the sweep now. We need a ray. So let's do that. Where is it? Right. How did he make it work? Yeah, exactly. That ray will come here. And its right value will go here. And its left value is gonna go here. And then it will go into a resample, smooth. Okay, so easy stuff. Just copy them over here. Come on now. Okay, output will be here. Come on, dudes. Oh my god. Copy this, paste this, and this on the left. Okay. And this one here. We don't need any connection here. So where is it? Ray. Yeah, the ray goes to the sweep on the right. Wait, that's not, I don't need the ray anyway. Good. Now this, the final smoothing after the ray was applied, and now we have microveins, and these look like that. That's actually quite a nice setup. Yeah, awesome. I don't like how it goes inside, but I think this will be does it though? Does it get fixed? Let's see. Lift. Okay, let's do a very fine tuning here. Okay, let's do the other fine tuning. Okay, so the ray here is working weirdly. Okay, let's see how it works here. Microvein. Okay, I'm gonna pause that on the recording. All going well. I checked the normal file, the one they provided. This seems to be okay. The results we're getting, this like spider web thingy. Because at the end, it makes a nice connection. But in our case, it's not snapping. But we could still have one array done at the end, I think, which should fix this problem. But microveins, definitely check. We got that. So let's see what we can do. What game did you play, by the way? I'm just wondering. I have no idea what people are playing these days. I'm playing Elden Ring, but I feel stuck with the last boss. It's a bit too OP for me. Yeah, okay, so generating micro veins. Okay, let's check here. How was the structure done? Generate micro veins, then switch create micro veins. So the switch creates it or doesn't. And it's right at the end. So let's see, where is right at the end in our case? Let's delete this. For now, let's just see the final result and see how that will look like. Merge all together. Let's see if the micro veins. What the heck happened here? Wow. Oh my god. No. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That sucks. Yeah, something is breaking apart here. Is it also the case in here? Well, how many ray casting happens afterwards? Output. Yeah, it looks fine here on his end. Okay, gonna watch some more. I totally forgot that we were in a subnetwork, and I was like, oh, this is not working, and completely like forgot what the next steps are. So this was all a subnetwork basically from here. Yeah, all of this is a subnetwork. So yeah, let's go back here, get it together. What is the next step? It's an orient or long curve. Okay, let's do that. First, let's get this thing into a subnetwork, honestly. Fine. Here we go. And now action. What is it? Collapse the subnet? Yeah, there we go. And this will be called operation. Is it an operation? Oh, is it generating? It's generating. So generating small lines. Let's see. It's a yellow because generating is yellow for me. Okay, that works. Let's put this thing here. What is next? Orient along curve. Let's do that. What is special about this? Let's see. Orient along curve. Let's review. Orient along curve. Yeah. Let's put it here. Hook it up already. I never really touched the settings here, so I don't think he did now. Okay, good. What's next? A group called microveins that is created by... Where did we create that group again? Microveins, you say. Where did we create that group? Where from? Let's see. Was it... Let's check where he created that part. Clean curve. Curve you... no, we don't want to play with that. We just want to come here and switch create microveins. And let's check if we had a group called microveins. Let's check inside. All the way here. Primitives, group, and start select. Okay. Blast. And start select. Okay, small lines. No group, no group. Okay, what is happening in here? What are we grouping? I guess is the so okay, I get it. We're creating a group. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Cool. All right, so the long curve, fine. Now we'll create the group of the selection. Here we go. That group will be called microveins. Good. Now we have the microveins grouped, which hopefully should be able to see them. Here they are. This is an issue still. Let's look into if the issue is solved here. Well, one way to find out, let's get this thing to be a cube, a box basically. So box. Here we go. Hook that up here. And look at the final result. What? What? Was? Okay, that is weird. How are we still getting the box? The file. Okay, it doesn't matter. We're probably referencing it, or he was referencing it inside, so that doesn't matter. Okay. Question is, why are we not getting the issue here? What is stopping it from happening? Sweep. Okay. Small lines. Horizontal curve. How was the ray set up between the sweep and the other sweep? How did I set it up? How did I set it up? Sweep 12. Okay, wait. Do I have a mistake here? Okay. Shift S. So what is happening here? Sweep. Maybe I didn't. Let's see. Wait here. Sweep from above. Sweep from inside. Sweep from inside. Sweep from above. Correct. Yeah. But it's completely not working. And I wonder why. 0.01. Ah, this sucks. Okay, what I will try to do though is get this ray molding working now. Where is our ray molding anyway? We have a switch if, we have a mesh, we have transfer from centroids, generation sweep. Do we have a ray here? No. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do then. I'm gonna take that ray molding with these two. Okay, wait, so we're gonna make an object, merge, clean mesh, boom. Another object merge. Actually, no. Let's just copy this and this. And all the way down, right before the output, we're gonna have one more ray molding happening. And let's hope this is correct. Where is it? So left or the right one is into the mesh. Okay, that makes sense. Good. So let's do it before the Unreal Material. Oh wow, I'm having a weird cramp here. Weird. Okay, so how does this look like? Is there a sweep operation on it? Yes, there is. Let's take that sweep operation. Okay, right before the sweep operation, I would like to have one last ray molding. Here we go. So, ray molding. Oh shit, we have, yeah, true, we have a simulation. True. How to deal with a simulation? I think we have a ray molding on this simulation, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it should be one. Yeah, here it is. That is the last one. Okay, and why is it not working though? Why is it not working, this ray molding? What the heck, dude? This is all wrong. Huh? What? Can we not do those? Okay. Wow, come on. Why do I need this? Here it's nothing, but here like, no, you need this, believe me. No, I don't. This is really annoying. Okay, let's go here. Oh my god, double escape, triple escape. Okay, this is frustrating. Alt, clean curve, operation, clean curve. Ma, this is so annoying. I don't want it to be cheese. No. What am I doing wrong, dude? What am I doing right, I guess, is the question. So bypass that. Clean. Amazing. Yeah. Yeah. Something about the operation here is not working. Okay, and it's obviously happening with this one. Wait, what? Where's the ray molding? What? What the what? Okay, wait. How? What? Okay. Wait, what? Ray? Backwards? Group remove? Why would we create a group to remove it? Then what is happening? Okay, wait. So what did I just realize? Not here, but here. Something with this ray isn't correct. Yeah, it's this, right? Oh, this is so annoying that it's just not working. Okay, wait, let's get into this one, compare stuff. Let's just copy this one. And yeah, let's try it. See if it would work. Maybe I missed a step or two. Blast in the second one. Sweep in the first one. This one here. Still happening. Not as much though. Yeah, this is way much. Okay. That is okay, I guess. But what is the difference is the question now. Okay, let's see. Let's just control Z some stuff. Let's compare. Okay, there we go. Diving in. So resample. What are the values? Same. Okay, noise small. Okay, same. Smooth. 52, same. Sweep. Yeah, 0, 1, 38, good. 2, 1, 2. Okay, wait. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so it was the radius basically playing with this. And so if I make it smaller, yeah, bigger, it will be a bigger problem. Smaller will be fine, like this. Yeah, okay, and then the end result will look like this. Okay. And noise, if I play with this a little bit, will be a problem. Okay, frequency. Wow. This is cool. Okay. So it was a sweep operation. All right, so thank you for teaching me. Good. Fine. Yeah. Good. Microveins. What is the next here? Just give me one back. Microveins, then group remote. All right. So we'll take it from. Let's see. Here we go. Group remote. What do we have in here? Auto points, group, micro veins. Good, so it's very clear and easy. Then we are merging. So let's merge the old points that are not deleted. So they're here. Boom, let's go down. The merge and then into the output. This should solve the issues now. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot. Yes. Good. And let's have a switch for it, right? So a switch would work in this case like here, switch. Okay, and let's call it, yeah, switch micro vein on. Yeah, this will be here. So this will be hooked here and this will be hooked here. Then it will be determined by the switch. And so off will be no microveins. Exactly, on will be microvein. So it will be 1 in that case. So time to promote. Let's go backwards, go all the way here. Let's type properties and check on our mic just in case. Good, mic is working, awesome. All right, let's go. Where are we? Where are we now? Okay, we add some parameters. So one of them will be just a toggle. So trigger toggle right there and take that into, let's see, remesh controls, detail controls, noise controls, noise, sim. We might need a new folder for those, right? I mean, it is a type of control here, detail control. Okay, yeah. This will be called micro veins on. It's fine to have them separated a bit. Okay. Micro veins on, it's a toggle, good. And yeah, 0, 1. Apply, accept. Could have just Control Alt middle clicked it, right? Okay, and now we should be able to have that control. Micro veins on or off. Right now it's okay, we have to connect it. Absolute. Okay. And so if I turn it on, will look like that. Okay, so one more thing I would like to control is side of the microveins, the margin. So this is a margin, and we will be able to control that if I go type properties. Let's add let's just do it like I said we should do it. Control Alt middle click. Okay, Shift Control middle click. Control middle click. Okay, wait, let's click here. Shift, what is it called? Alt Control middle click? Shift Control middle click. I forgot how to do it. Damn it, can you drag it? Yes, much easier. Okay, margin of selection, let's have it beneath the microveins. And have the microveins above it. Margin of selection should be okay, yeah. Apply, accept. And let's select that. Let's wait for it. Okay, and now we should be able to create more microveins. So, level of branching, amplitude, here. Okay, so if I add a smaller number, why are we getting, okay, yeah. Let's have it here then. Small number more, and if I turn them on, boom, here we go. A lot of them will be here. Yeah, they should be smaller generally though. This we can determine by the sweep level. if I have selected the microvane. Let's see how he does it. Let's see how he does it. Okay, we'll pause. I'm reducing the threshold of spread, so we have less curves to deal with. Right now it's all over the place, and also we'll limit the minimum. So we have more of a branching feeling to it. And again, reduce the threshold spread. And then we should be able to keep the microveins on, just reduce them a bit more. What happens if it's like this level of microveins? That's a lot. Yeah. That should do it. You know, wonder sometimes if this was a pig head, how it would look like. Let's just save to be on the safe side. Yeah, let's add our pig head. Let's delete. Oh, wait a second. Pig head here. Pig head here. Okay. Merge doesn't need that. All right, let's draw another curve. Minus. Space G. There we go. Enter. Draw. Okay. Now DGA should look like this. Awesome. Let's now, yeah, let's figure this thing out. Sorry. Let's go to the merge, the last one. See how this looks like. Okay, so what we'll do is HDA level of operation. So double escape. Yeah, and now view this and control it through this. Let's see. One, we need a bit more spread. Okay, the minimum needs to go down and the maximum needs to go down. So we have less. Yeah. And now we need our micro veins to have more. So more is less. Let's see how those look like. Yeah, it's respecting the boundaries. That's good. And what else is there? Are we getting more spread maybe? Yeah, this is awesome. Okay, let's put this a bit down. Okay, this is fine though. And level of branching 3. And let's go maximum distance a bit more. This will break it now. Because of level of branching too. This makes it very heavy. Yeah, here we go. And so put this down. It will change the way it looks like. Otherwise, it's quite disgusting, which is amazing. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. All right, so we have that. What else can we add? Now we should add the P-scale stuff. Okay. Let's add randomization on the P-scale. Let's do that. So, here. And if we go P-scale, let's see P-scale. Where is my P-scale? Where is my P-scale? P-scale. I will basically... Okay, I think the P-scale is inside of this simulation creation. Establish growth control. Growth control, channel reference, channel float, growth control. Okay, where did we do that? Where did we do the P-scale thingy? P-scale equals growth, yeah. That has P-scale equals growth line. Okay, let's reference the other project. Yeah, this one. Let's go back. Let's go down to the P-scale stuff. Here we go. P-scale and Unreal preparation. Yeah, and this is the P-scale stuff. We have set P-scale. This is exactly where I am right now. Set P-scale. Here we go. Dude. And color, set alpha. We've done all of this. Invert P-scale. What does that do? Okay. Where did I put the alpha? Where is the color? Color is color. And this has the alpha or what? Okay. Size, generation, sweep. Attribute triangle, what does that do? Alpha, yeah, this one. And here's the color. Good. So here we should be able to start creating this. Set alpha and then invert p scale. What does that mean? Attribute remap. All right. Gonna what? P scale noise. Okay, wait. Yeah. Let me just go back to the part where he explained that. He didn't explain it, so we just don't have this attribute remap. Invert p scale. I'm just gonna copy it over just to see its effect, so I have an idea. Let's see. Invert p scale. Okay. Why what does that even do? Oh, it's literally inverting it. Okay, and that does what exactly? Create microveins. Huh? So it switches. What? What is the purpose of this? Modify p scale, thickness. Okay. Well, let's try to understand it. So it basically inverted the p scale. That's all what it did. Then we have the sweep. Let's keep the sweep here for now. All right, so we have a p scale noise that I don't want to connect yet. An attribute adjust float. Okay. And this is p scale noise, so it's a VOP, nothing more than a VOP. Okay, let's get here too, and we can compare stuff now. We are in generate sweep right there. VOP. Yeah, let's go into it. Okay, so here we have a VOP. We'll call it the same name, and we'll see. Just go over it. So turb noise with the frequency and the offset as a parameter, and the multiplier that takes from the p scale, from the position, normal stuff, then multiplies the result with the p scale, okay, then adds the result with the p scale, and then it ends in the p scale. That's it though. Okay, you don't output anything else. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so first noise, turbulent noise. Yeah, you promote the position, promote the frequency. Wait, the position, don't promote it, just hook it up. You promote the offset. Good, now we go into a multiply. There we go. Then this is a parameter, more or less. Yeah, and then this goes into another multiply that takes the multiplication of the bind from the p scale. Just p scale. And yeah, one here. Same. Actually, addition. Yeah, addition. Good. So add, yes, this result with the p scale as well, right? Yeah, we're just gonna take the same value then. Fine. And here, and then we have one last bind, which is a p scale. Also p scale. And this one has an input. How is that possible? Use overtype use. Okay, what is so different about this one? Okay, when input connect. Okay, here we go. Now it can be manipulated basically. Okay, let's see. See if that's the case. And so it's an interesting way to understand this. Here, connected to the adjust attribute. Okay, wait, let's connect this, compare this here. And this is called attribute adjust float. Attribute adjust float. Okay. What does attribute adjust float do? And here the difference between them. So in the general, we say microveins if we can connect it. Can we still get that? Oh wow, shit. They're going away somewhere. Group microveins. Yeah, okay. Why are we not getting that then? No interest. Okay, we're just gonna have to add it then. Okay. Weird that it just didn't take it. Anyway, p scale point non adjust multiply. Cool. Yeah, that's a type of addition to it. Constant value 0.5. Enable post process. Okay, good. Then what are we doing with that? It's going into a what exactly? A switch and then a modify p scale thickness. Okay. All right, I'm gonna watch. All right, let's do some visualization here. So if I add a color and we make it a ramp from attribute, and we make it more close to each other. So we hook the p scale noise to it, and we make it only work with p scale. Now we will able to see what this noise have done, but we don't see it yet because we didn't play with those. So let's make an offset, and now this will be the strength. But let's view the color itself. What the heck? Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see it a little bit here. Let's take the offset a bit down. And frequency actually a bit more up of that noise. So yeah, that will create more noise. This is a bit too much. Okay, wait. This here. It's a noise texture, so yeah, anyway, you see it right there. The strength of it. It's 220. And I think those are very big values. Okay, let's try with the ones. What is the value here? Okay. Good. Let's see with the color again. If we switch, now we'll see the other way around. Yeah, it's creating a lot of noise basically. And what this is doing here is taking the microveins smaller. It's making it smaller by 0.5 here. Okay, and this should basically be hooked to the sweep now. and we will get something like this. Just one more thing, I need to check the actual setup. Give me a break, let's see here. Okay, so invert. The invert goes here. Why invert though? Let's go to the output. Was okay, wait, let's take the real output. Okay, and now let's check what is this invert shit doing. What? Okay. But mine is, anyway, I'm satisfied with it, so we'll keep it like this. And what about the microveins and everything else? Are they smaller now? Let's see, let's go all the way to the HDA. And let's try to check if this worked now. Microveins. Yeah, we're getting a lot of them. They're smaller. Let's check if we are making them smaller generally. Yeah, much better. Good. Would like to control this. So basically we could control them from on the go. So let's go type properties, go to parameters, and constant value. Yeah, this one. We will definitely need it to change. Levels of branching, microveins, let's go here. And let's call it something different. Let's call it microvein size. Okay, maximum value of 0.5. Yeah, range is good. Good. Normal value, fine. Apply, accept. Good. Now this should be able to give us the ability to control the value. Yeah, or the size, exactly, of these microveins. Perfect. What else do we need? We need, let's see, we need some type of, okay, so I want to test this now. So strength, here we go. That's the noise. And it's creating these things, which I love. I would love more details. So how to do that? So grid, cap division. Column. Okay, let's see. Let's make a smooth shaded. Yeah, okay. It's awesome, this thing. It's really cool. Okay, now we will need this to be... Yeah, this is cool. It's a lot though. Crazy. Let's see. Is alpha here 0? Wow, it's a lot of geometry. Okay, let's see. We will take the noise and now apply the values for it in the properties. And so let's go. Frequency, what did now not work anymore? Oh, weird, anyway. Good. So we have frequency. And so the frequency is going to be here. And oh my god, these are a lot of options right now. So let's organize a little bit. So folder, let's make a folder for the micro stuff, call it the micro veins folder. Micro veins controls. Controls. Here we go. And now we'll add space. Yeah, micro veins controls. Oh. Okay. Detail controls. The split bias threshold, the seed, the minimum search distance, the maximum search distance. Good stuff. Now we need a folder for p-scale, basically deformation. Veins deformation. That's good. Here too. Good. And now we could start with the frequency and everything else. So frequency, veins deformation, noise deformation. Yeah, so it's clear that it's a noise. We have frequency, we have offset, we have strength. Strength. This could be up to 100, let's say, just to play with its strength. Okay. Offset is offset, frequency is frequency. Good. Now let's apply. Accept. Okay, now let's play with it. And here is our strength. Awesome. Yeah, this is cool. It's exactly what I wanted. However, I would love it to work all over the place. But yeah, it has more effect in the beginning, which is due to the p-scale, of course. Yeah, nothing we can change about that now. Level of branching, cool. Let's go and play with this a little bit more. Okay, let's make the strength again big, and let's see what the frequency here does. Oh my god, isn't that the best thing ever? Frequency is just where the noise is, basically. I would love to do this as a shader. I would love that. But I need to understand it first. Input number. This is the what? Why is it? What is this? Okay, wait, type properties. Input number, strength. Yeah, let's call it strength. Yeah, sure, it's gonna be an error now. Okay, let's do strength here. Let's call it strength. What is it called? Multiply to this one. Yeah. All right. Save. And strength. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. All right, wait. Go back. Here. Absolute reference. Yeah. Hey, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. So we have this working, and I can make it work inverse as well. Yeah. That's cool. That's a whole different effect. But yeah, let's give it like this now. It's cool. I love those, dude. I love this. It's very random, very cool. Let's see, one more thing. Noise control. Okay, I don't like how those folders are being. Okay. And why the heck? Level of branching. This should be here. Yeah. Okay, noise. Noise, double noise. Why would we need that? Thank you. Choose clean mesh operation. I'm not sure if this works, honestly. Let's put the sim here. Fine, I guess. Okay, let's apply accept. Good. We have something going on. I love this in the beginning. Let's look at it from far. Actually, double click and then in the merge. Yeah. Yeah, I love this. It's very, very cool. Good. We're able to basically add whatever we wanted so far. I'll pause. Oh, which so okay, that must have been Instagram. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go live on Instagram again. So let's see, discard video. Let's pause it. Can you make it reply to my video, or do you think that's too hard? That'll be funny. Okay, so anyway, yeah, we've added that. There is one more solution that we can add here. It's funny how there's two of them. A bit weird, English. It could be a merge issue. Okay, wait. Let's get into the merge then. Let's see, where are we getting that problem? Let's see. So anyway, let's check where this issue is with the merge. Let's see. Merge. Attribute triangle. What are we getting here? Why are we getting it twice? Generation sweep. Bypass. Same. Okay. It should be only happening once. But why are we getting so many here? Well, and then we're getting those weird spheres. Oh my god. Okay, let's check our... Okay, I just don't want it to be too heavy, English. Let's see something like this. It's too heavy. It's too... Yeah, too incircular, too not tubey like. I don't know what to call it. Okay, we'll copy one more operation from them because it wasn't explained one-to-one. Basically, this operation here, which belongs to... Okay, I'm just gonna copy it now. Remap final branch iteration, exactly. This one. Gonna take and paste here. So we'll delete those two. Let's see, where's that implemented right after the modify p-scale thickness? What does that one do? Anyway, it does thickness multiply group p-scale point. I'm just gonna ignore this one, I guess, because yeah, it's not so important for me right now. And then growth parameter. I mean, let's just see if everything works right now, because I'm quite satisfied with the results. Let's save the node type. Where is my save node type? Yeah, okay. And now we'll close the other Houdini files without saving. And this one too, close. This one too, close. Yeah. And we'll save ours. And we will check. I'm getting tired, man. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, let's regenerate this one then. Houdini engine, create session. Hopefully it won't crash. Let's see. All right, it's gonna cook again. Oh, look at that. That's quite cool. Is it enabled by default though? That's the question. Ah, yeah, that probably is the case. That's cool. Yeah. Or is it this one? Instance. Yeah, the instance. Okay, let's see. First we need double click on this and then reduce the thickness to something lower. Growth control also. It's funny how it grows now. Okay, let's bake it again. We're gonna bake it in. So here we have two menus. Frequency. All right, strength 2, 3. Wow, that was fast. Cool. Yeah, it's working. It's fast, it's working. Level branching 2. Let's go to micro veins on. And let's have more of them. Yeah, here we have it. Awesome. Yeah, we have some artifacts here. Let's see, it's gonna apply this one on it. It's a bit less all over the place, if that's something to say. Let's go here. Wow. Kind of like those loose ends there. I do. Okay, let's just click away a little bit. Try to view it. That's very, very nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is create a nice thingy. Let's create it right now. I want it to be on the sky. Okay, and we're gonna create something now. Okay, here we go. Let's go a bit bigger. Let's separate it from each other a little bit, like this. Okay, now both of them smaller. Okay, and this maybe this way. Okay, and let's create more of them. Here we go. Maybe bigger this way, maybe taller this way, maybe separated that's like this. Okay. Okay, and now create new ones that will be flipped like this. Okay, and now down. Cool. Now we'll start putting them together basically a little bit. Yeah, like this. Here too. Good. We'll need to separate them a little bit. Yeah, like this. Bit bigger, bit smaller, like here. Another one. And a bit bigger. Here we go. Yeah, something like this. Something that looks like it's either being corrupted or like it's separated from each other for some reason. And I want it to hover over the map, so to speak. Like fragmented is the word I'm looking for. So let's see. Here. Okay, one more. Yeah, okay, and now we'll make everything grow on this. Let's see. We don't need that one, I guess. Let's group them. Edit. Wait, how to group things? Here. Control G, maybe? Group actor, yeah. Yep. Perfect. Okay. Now let's save all. And I'll drop a new HDA. Good saving. Okay, question. What software should I use for game art, for making assets? Open source programs. You have a lot of programs. I'm gonna link you a video, okay? Open source programs game games game art. Yeah, I remember watching a video once. It was really cool. Best free software, exactly. I think so. So let's see. Skillshare, yeah. Blender is one of them. Krita should be there. How old is this video? 3 years ago. There's better programs. 7 free programs. Why I don't use Asprite, blah blah blah. What program for pixel art? Best free software. Choosing a game engine is easy, actually. Where did I watch that video? Huh. Anyway, this should help. And this, I'm not sure if this link works. This is good. This is good. And for 3D, you have Blender. I mean, for 3D, you have Blender. You don't need to pay anything these days. Everything is for free. Yeah. Engines are also for free. Some of them are for free. Some you have to be careful unless you're not going into a project yet where you are planning to earn money. Yeah, you don't have to worry right now. Cool. Let's make this more fragmented, more random. Okay, and let's grow a vine on it, on the damn thing. Okay. And first we need, wait. I actually would like, I mean, it's fine. Let's review our controls a little bit anyway. So let's see, assets, help and debug, blah, 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 Houdini parameters, Houdini input this way. Okay, mesh input, let's go with world input and select this one, use current. And as for the curve input, yeah, it is a curve input. Let's choose this one, put it here, put another one here. Okay, let's take this one down. Can I stop the cooking for a second? Please. Sucks. Okay, one here. Let's take this more down. And yeah, one more here. One more here. Let's just wrap it around it a little bit, a couple of times. One more here. Okay, should be good so far, I think. Yeah, okay, here's what we're gonna do. This is already looking cool. We are going to make this thing a bit more, you know, make it grow a bit smarter. As for the collision input, we will add the floor Oh wait, sorry. World input. Start selecting. Here, here, here. Use current. And now let's play with this. Houdini parameters. Here we go. Let's open this a bit bigger. Add key. We go. Add key. There we go. Add key. Good. This one up. Yeah. And now all of it is break. Yeah, this looks cool. All right. And now we can make it spread, basically. Oh, it is very far away. Okay, and now let's go to the HDA. Let's make it spread. So spread threshold. Let's make that one big, like half. Now it will start spreading. Awesome. Let's give this a better texture. Something that is a bit more visible. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, let's play with it a bit more. What is the next thing to play with? The seed we could change. We can do minimum search distance to be a bigger and the maximum bigger, which will break it, I think, a little bit. Yeah, and now I will take the microveins, add them, and we'll make a constant value. Margin of selection, less. So now we'll have more microveins. And as for here, strength is a bit too big, 0.4. Cool. Oh my god, this is nice. Let's take both of them down a little bit. And more to the sun. Okay. See what we can do. Just select the... yeah. Or the boxes. Yeah. Okay, and now we can continue with this. Let's see what we can do. What else we can put this? Let's make it a bit more random by putting more maximum alignment and less minimum alignment, and this will make it go around each other. More threshold to spread. Level of branching 2. We'll make it bigger even. Veins noise deformation. The strength is a bit too much. Let's do a 1. This might break it now, actually. Let's see. Let's add one more. Should we? It's cool. Oh. I love how it moves. Yeah, the PC is definitely struggling right now. Love it. Yeah, that is the type of effect I was looking for. Yeah, it definitely broke. I knew it. Yeah, let's see what we've done. The level of branching was a bit too much, I think. Especially with that spread threshold. Yeah, let's wait for it. It can't do too many things at the same time. It's a problem. Okay, we'll wait for it. No problem. Let's go with the materials. Wait for it. Let it cook. Let them cook. I always find it interesting on TikTok that there's always like one person just lurking. It's always funny. That's cool. They just like never comment, never leave anything. Which is also quite funny. 2.5D, what do you mean? Advance. It's funny that I just realized. Oh, wow. That's hilarious. It's not connected or not available. Funny. Okay, sound check. Test. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. End. Ah, sucks. Why is it always asking for permission? It's so dumb. It's complicated. 2.5D. It's yeah, in between basically. It's like 3D assets in 2D or 2D assets in 3D. That's 2.5D. So it could be both basically. Let me try to figure out this problem. So crash on me. I was trying different things. So yeah, that's it for today though. I don't have any time left to keep streaming. We'll continue tomorrow if there's a chance, of course. Yeah, we'll see you around, people. Thank you for watching, and yeah, subscribe, follow if you haven't yet. I appreciate it. It you know, it supports me and supports the hopefully the business that I want to do in the future, which is just streaming my learning and documenting that. Yeah, support me on my journey. Thank you so much for that, and yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow, and yeah, the YouTube video will be uploaded today. Check that out, and yeah, peace, people. Thank you Green Coke. Nice to have you here. If you haven't follow. You're a first time chatter. Thank you so much, and bye.